Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to complete the Meet with Unlock task on the Huddle Testnet. If you haven't joined the Huddle Testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. The first thing to do is to log into your Huddleverse and visit the Quest Arena. On the Quest Arena, search for Unlock and you will see the Meet with Unlock quest. Click on it, then click this Arbitrum link. Once you land on Unlock, connect your wallet by clicking Connect, select your preferred wallet, and accept the connection request. Next, accept the signature request, and you'll be connected to Unlock. Now, once you're logged in on Unlock, the next thing to do is to create a lock. So click Create Lock and select this option to organize an event and sell tickets. So click this card and now fill out all this information. You will need to select an image. So upload an image file by clicking select an image and upload your image. Give the event a name. Make sure Arbitrum is selected as the network. So click the drop down menu and choose Arbitrum. Give it a description. Set your organizer name, provide your email address, and make sure the ticket is set to free. Then click create your event. Now it will bring up a transaction request in your Arbitrum wallet. So that means you need to have some Arbitrum Earth to pay for gas fees. You need about $0.02 worth of Arbitrum Earth. Accept the request in your wallet and wait for your transaction to be mined. Once your contract is successfully deployed, click View Event page. Now the next thing to do is to send your keys to the participants who you want to join this token gated meeting. To do that, click Attendees and click Airdrop Ticket. There's also another way to do this. On your Unlock page, you can see the lock that you've created. So I created this lock before, and this is the new lock I just created. To set your attendees for a new lock, click the arrow button on the lock. To airdrop the keys to your attendees, click Tools and click Airdrop Key. Now, what you need to do is to enter the Huddle Testnet addresses for the users you want to join this token gated meeting. Whoever you want to attend this meeting, ask them for their Huddle Testnet address and paste it here. So paste the address and hit Add Recipient. Click Confirm Airdrop and accept the signature request in your wallet. Remember, you'll be paying gas fees with Arbitrum Earth, so you need to have Arbitrum Earth in your wallet. So now I've successfully granted the key to the owner of this wallet address. This means I can invite this Huddle user to this token gated meeting. So you can add as many addresses as you want. Once you've added the addresses, you can refresh the page to see the attendees you've granted access. So in this case, I've only given the key to one user. So it means only the owner of this address can join my token gated event. So let me go back. For the previous lock I created, I sent the keys to 7 users. So if I click this arrow, I can see the 7 users here. This means that the owners of these 7 addresses can access the token gated event that is locked with this token. Once you've created the lock and you've airdropped the keys to the participant you want to join the meeting, the next thing to do is to copy the contract address of the lock you created. So for the lock, you will see the contract address here. You can copy it by clicking on the copy icon. And now I've copied the address of this lock. Once you've done that, go back to your Huddle app. So now on your Huddle app, click Schedule and click Schedule a new event. You can set it to be a video meeting or an audio space. It doesn't matter. Give the event a title. Set the time the meeting will start, set the duration of the meeting. I prefer to set it for a very long period of time to allow the participants enough time to join the meeting. So I usually use 4 hours. Make sure Add Me as a host is ticked. Now the next thing to do is to token gate the event. So tick this checkbox. So for the token gate type, click the drop down menu and select ERC721. Now click the drop down menu and select Arbitrum as the chain. Now here, paste the contract address of the lock you just copied and click schedule. So now I have scheduled this meeting here. To join the meeting, click join and click join meeting. So click unlock room and your meeting will be unlocked. Now you can share this meeting to those participants by clicking the share icon and the link will be copied successfully. If users who you haven't sent the airdrop keys to try to join the meeting, they won't be able to join because they do not have the tokens required to join the meeting. When the participants you've already whitelisted on Unlock join the meeting, you can stay in the meeting for at least 15 minutes. Now, I'm not sure if the 2 participants requirement as a minimum includes the host. So to be on the safer side, make sure you invite at least 2 people to the meeting and make sure they join the meeting and stay for at least 15 minutes. Once you've stayed for at least 15 minutes, end the meeting and go back to your Huddleverse to verify the task. So go back to your Huddleverse, click on the verify button, and it will verify that you've completed the task. If your task can't verify, wait for a few minutes or a few hours and try to verify again. Now, once you've verified the task, you see it showing as completed here. The next thing to do is to claim your unlock badge. So to claim your unlock badge, click claim unlock badge, and you can see the badge will be available to claim. So click claim and click mint. You will get a signature request in your wallet, accept it, and now your badge will be minted successfully. If you get this error of connector not connected, keep clicking the mint button until it pops up a transaction in your wallet. So that's how to unlock the Meet with Unlock task. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the comments or in my Telegram group. You'll find the link to the group in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Huddle Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. In the bonus section of this video description, you'll find a link to more testnets that you can join. So sign up on as many of them as possible. So keep claiming your Huddle points daily by joining Huddle meetings and Firehouse spaces. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.